Hey, everyone! Welcome to Excel and Tally, your go-to channel for all things related to Excel and Tally. In this video, we're going to talk about advantages of Excel. Excel has several advantages that make it an essential tool for data management and analysis. One of the biggest advantages of using Excel is that it allows users to easily organize and manage data in a tabular format. With Excel's ability to sort, filter, and search for specific data, it makes the data organization process seamless and efficient. Excel provides a variety of data analysis tools, such as charts and pivot tables, that enable users to identify trends, patterns, and insights from their data. These features help users to visualize data and make informed decisions based on their analysis. Excel is commonly used for financial planning and forecasting as it can handle complex calculations, including tax calculations, and help track expenses and revenues. Its ability to create budget templates, track expenses and revenues, and forecast future income and expenses make it a useful tool for budgeting and forecasting. Excel can be used to track project tasks and timelines, making it a useful tool for project management. With its ability to create Gantt charts and manage project timelines, it can help you stay on top of your project deadlines and deliverables. Excel can be used to store and track large amounts of data, making it a useful tool for record keeping purposes. You can use it to keep track of customer information, employee records, and other important data. So, in conclusion, Excel is a powerful tool that can help you manage and analyze your data efficiently. Its features, including data organization, data analysis, budgeting and forecasting, project management, and record keeping, make it an essential tool for professionals and businesses alike. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Excel and Tally for more helpful tips and tutorials on using Excel and Tally.